Hi, it's Barney from BBC Good Food, and here I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways of making sorbet. First, I'm going to show you a traditional way of making a lemon sorbet in an ice cream machine, and then I'm going to be showing you a cheats way of making a pineapple sorbet. So first things first, onto our traditional sorbet. So we need to make a sugar syrup. I'm going to take 250 millilitres water, and then to that we're going to add 250 grams of white caster sugar. Because the sorbet we're making is a lemon sorbet, I'm just going to add a strip of lemon peel. Then we just want to bring that to a simmer for about 3 minutes until the sugar's dissolved, and we're going to cool that and add some lemon juice. That's at about 3 minutes simmering. The lemon zest is infused nicely in the syrup. We're just going to turn that off and leave that to cool. The syrup's cooled to room temperature. I'm just going to remove the lemon zest. And then we're just going to add 100 millilitres of lemon juice. Give that a stir. And now we're ready to freeze. You can either freeze it in a tray and then keep on turning it over. That gives you more of a kind of granita. Here we've got a very basic ice cream machine which makes about 500 ml, which is perfect for this amount. You simply pour it into the ice cream machine. Add the paddle. The ice cream machine's done its stuff and the sorbet is lovely and churned. You can see that it's all frozen and slushy. So all that's left to do is to put it into a freezable container. It needs to go into there. I'm just going to cover that with cling film. I'm just going to pop that in the freezer for another couple of hours until frozen solid, or that can sit happily in the freezer for up to a month, and there you'll have the most delicious lemon sorbet. So the next method I'm going to show you is a cheats way of making a fruit sorbet. I'm making a pineapple one here, but you can use any fruit you want, like a juicy red fruit like strawberries or raspberries would be ideal. The first thing you need to do is you need to get yourself a blender or a smoothie maker. So then we need to add our fruit. So here we're adding the pineapple. Then we need to sweeten that with some sugar. And then it's up to you what you add, but I want to add some Thai basil, some ginger, some lime zest, and some lime juice. And finally, we're just going to add about 200 millilitres of water. Now you just want to puree that down so you have like a thick fruit sauce. So that's all nice and pureed to a smooth, thick sauce, and now it's just a matter of freezing that until it's solid. So now we just need to cover this with a lid and pop that in the freezer for 4 hours or overnight until it's frozen solid. We're going to chop that into nice big pieces, and then we're going to re-blend it again, and that's going to take the place of the ice cream machine. Now it's just a matter of blending the ice again to break up the crystals and turn them into a lovely smooth sorbet. You might need to do this in batches. So on with the lid, and then now this might need a bit of help with the paddle. Once that's all blended, what you have there is a lovely sorbet consistency. So there we have two ways of making sorbet, a traditional lemon and a cheats pineapple and Thai basil.